delay, of course, triggers a sequence of actions there, and in terms of the what it means for the resource planning is that firstly we get the information from the delayed flight. That will definitely affect the maintenance planning there, the scheduling. We get all that information in an assignment. Then we can check that is the staff available still in this new situation, or has something changed so that we need to reallocate the people.
So basically you would say that assignment makes it easy to react to fast changes.
Just right. So in the old way of doing things, you need to rely that you get the information of those changes from somewhere. You might get it as a notification from those 3 different systems, but it's up to you then to actually react and do the plan again.